This is a demonstration of one technique for automating the process of provisioning large numbers of devices on Digi Remote Manager through use of the Device Core API command. While not difficult, the process assumes that a user possesses basic technical skills. Begin by opening the spreadsheet called provisiondevices.xlsx. You will need to replace the sample information and add your own list of devices. At a minimum, include one of the following: device MAC addresses, IMEI numbers, or Digi device IDs. You can optionally add further information such as logical device groups and meta tags to further accelerate the organization of devices in Remote Manager. Now that you have saved your changes and closed the spreadsheet, open the file called provisiondevices.docm. This file includes Word macros that must be allowed to run, so you might need to adjust your security settings in Word's Trust Center. Provisiondevices.docm reads the contents of your spreadsheet and creates properly formed XML for use with the Device Core API in Remote Manager. It is important for the docm file to reside in the same folder as the spreadsheet or it will not work. The file executes very quickly, then closes. Once provisiondevices.docm has run, you should find a new file called deviceprovisioningcode.xml in the directory from which the docm file was launched. The new file contains the XML code you will use to provision your devices in Remote Manager. You can use any text editor you like to open the XML file and copy its full contents. In this example, I am using Notepad++. Now it's time to return to Remote Manager and provision your devices. Notice that in this account there are only a few devices and logical device groups currently in place. In Remote Manager, go to the Documentation tab and select the API Explorer. Then click the Examples button and select Device Core and Provision a Device. In the lower left-hand frame, there is some sample XML code. Select and delete that code, then paste the contents of the XML file you copied earlier. Click the Send button to submit the device provisioning instructions. If the operation was successful, you should see a 201 message code. You can click the message and review Remote Manager's response to your request. Now refresh your browser and return to the Remote Manager device list. You should see your new devices in the list along with any optional elements you may have included, such as meta tags and logical device groups. For more information about Digi Remote Manager, go to digi.com/rm or contact Digi International to schedule a full demonstration.